During my days in secondary school, I had a close friend called Emmanuel. His house was very far from the school, while mine was very close to the school. I noticed that each time I come to the school, no matter how I tried to come early enough, he will already be there before me. I tried all I could to come before him even one day, but all were in vain. Then one day I asked him what the secret behind that. He then told me that he wakes up every day by 4 a.m., finishes his morning activity by 5 a.m., then eats his breakfast and start coming to school by 5:30 a.m. While I do wake up by 5 a.m., finish my morning activities by 6 a.m., then eat my breakfast and start coming to school by 7 a.m. Both of us had the aim of trying to be punctual to school every day, even though my home was closer to the school than his. But he always wins. He arrives before me, and that is because he gets up from his bed earlier than me every day. This made me to realize that the possibility of a student being punctual to school is not being determined by the distance of his home from the school, which also means that your background cannot reflect to the possibility of you achieving your aims. What reflects to it is your determinations and the level of your concentrations. Your background cannot keep your back on the ground if you have a determined heart. So the earlier you stop being stuck in your bed and get up to pursue your dream is better for you. I noticed again that each time the school closes for the day, that is by 2 p.m. every day, every student will start heading to their various homes, and Emmanuel had never for once gotten home before me. This is because we all start the journey at the same time, and my home is closer to school than his. My way home is not his way home. Every student start heading to their various homes at the same time, but can never reach their various homes at the same time. This is because they all start the journey at the same time, and their way home varies. Just the way our way home varies, such is how our destinies vary. That's why you and your mates or colleagues will start the journey of life together but can never achieve success together. This is because the way to your destiny is different from the way to their destinies. If all your friends are making it big while you haven't, it doesn't mean that you are lazy or not good enough. It is just that your way home is different from their way home. And if you are making it big while most of your friends haven't, don't think they are lazy or not good enough, and never you oppress them or discriminate against them, because they might make it bigger than you tomorrow, and that is because their way home is different from your way home. Your way home is different from their way home. If you stick that statement into your mind every day, I don't think frustration will have any power over your life. Your way home is different from their way home. Believe in it and live with it.